Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment, developing soft skill and personality, week 6, assignment 6. So the first question is Reena is preparing to deliver an important presentation about her startup's new product to potential investors. She knows the success of this presentation depends not only on what she says, but also on how she communicates, reflecting on this week's lecture. Reena wants to ensure her communication is effective. Which of the following strategies should Reena adopt to maximize the impact of her presentation? So these are the options, and the answer of our first question is A, B, D, and E. Now the second question is during a team meeting, Rajesh tries to delegate task but notices his team appears confused and unmotivated. Afterward, reflecting on common communication pitfalls highlighted by Professor Ravichandran, Rajesh considered what might have gone wrong in his communication. Which of the following mistake contributed to ineffective communication during Rajesh's meeting? So these are the option, and the answer of our second question is A, B, C, and F. Now the third question is Neha has recently been promoted to lead a diverse team in her multinational company. Though she is technically skilled, Neha struggles with communication. Sometimes she comes across as overly silent and withdraw in meetings, and at other times she appears to commanding, shutting down differing opinions. As a result, team morale is low, misunderstandings are frequent, and project progress suffers. Her mentor advised her to improve her communication skills to become an effective leader. What should Neha do to transform her communication style and foster a positive, productive work environment? So these are the options, and the answer of our third question is B, C, D, and D and F. Now the fourth question is in a vibrant tech startup, Tara, known for her innovation ideas, has been promoted to team leader. Her team is diverse, dynamic, and often buzzing with creativity. Tara notices that while her ideas are well received, the team's energy fluctuates during interactions. To maintain enthusiasm and ensure smooth collaboration, Tara decides to refine her non-verbal communication skills. How can Tara use non-verbal cues to enhance connection and positively within her team? So these are the options, and the answer of our fourth question is A, B, D, and F. Now the fifth question is in a multinational corporation, several employees encounter varying communication challenges that affect their ability to connect with others. Understanding these situations can help identify communication barriers and improve interactions. Which of the following situations are likely to lead to communication barriers? So these are the options, and the answer of our fifth question is A, C, D, E, and F. Now the sixth question is in diverse workplace, employees bring their personal experience and perceptions, which sometimes create communication barriers affected by individual personalities and backgrounds. Identify the barriers in communication caused by the personality traits or biases of the sender or receiver. So these are the options, and the answer of our sixth question is A, B, D, and E. Now, the seventh question is Aisha, an engineer from a metropolitan city, is assigned to lead a sustainable energy project in a coastal village in Kerala. Despite her enthusiasm, she encounters language and cultural barriers that hinder project progress. What are some ways Aisha can overcome these barriers to effectively engage with the local community? So, these are the options, and the answer of our seventh question is A, B, D, and E. Now the eighth question is in diverse classroom setting, Miss Patel, an experienced teacher, uses various non-verbal communication technique to ensure all her students feel engaged and understood during lessons. Which of the following instances demonstrate effective non-verbal communication in Miss Patel's classroom? So these are the options, and the answer of our eighth question is A, C, T, and F. Now the ninth question is in a workshop on communication skills, participants are tasked with understanding the significance of communication and identifying potential barriers. They must match statement with the correct concept. Match the statement with the correct concept significant of communication S or communication barrier B and choose the correct option. So this is our statement and option significant of communication S or communication barriers. So these are the option and the answer of our ninth question is A, C and D. Now, the 10th question is Samira is encountering challenges in her interpersonal communication at work. She often finds herself misunderstood by colleagues and wants to improve her interaction based on this week's learning sessions. What advice would you give her to overcome these communication barriers? What strategies should Samira adopt to enhance her interpersonal communication? So, these are the options. And the answer of our 10th question is A, B, D, and F. Now, the 11th question is in a music class, Mr. Sanam plays a piece on the piano while his students listen attentively. Afterward, he encourages them to share their thoughts and feelings about the music. For this situation, identify the correct components of the communication model. So, these are the options, and the answer of our 11th question is B. Now, the 12th question is which of the following is not an emotional barrier? So, these are the option, and the answer of our 12th question is C, confidency. Now, the 13th question is Alston is working remotely and often takes calls from his noisy household. He realizes that the distractions are affecting his listening. What is the most effective step he can take to overcome environmental barriers to active listening? So these are the options, and the answer of our 13th question is A. Using noise cancellation headphones. Now the 14th question is Ishita and her cousin Neil often misunderstand each other during conversation. Lately, Ishita has been avoiding discussing with Neil especially after a disagreement during a family event. She feels hurt but has not expressed it directly. Which of the following situations best illustrates an emotional communication barrier similar to theirs? So these are the options, and the answer of our 14th question is A. Now the 15th question is Ahmad has been avoiding his colleague Raj after a disagreement about a project thought he has not directly mentioned any issue. Despite Ahmad's silence, Raj noticed Ahmad's changing attitude. Which of the following behavior most likely revealed Ahmad's discomfort around Raj? So these are the options, and the answer of our 15th question is C. Now, the 16th question is a large university is facing challenges in coordinating between its various departments, resulting in delay in and inefficiency in administrative process. The administration is seeking to streamline its operations and enhance collaboration among faculty and staff. Which of the following step is likely to be most effective in achieving this goal? So these are the option, and the answer of our 16th question is B. Now, the 17th question is Rahul is working on a group project with his colleagues and realized that one team member, Rohan, has not completed his assignment task on time, causing a delay in the project. What is the most appropriate way for Rahul to handle this situation? So, these are the options. And the answer of our 17th question is D. Now, the 18th question is Ava is known for being an effective team leader in her organization. Her team members appreciate her ability to resolve conflicts and facilitate collaboration. What quality is Ava most likely to possess is that makes her an effective team leader? So, these are the options, and the answer of our 18th question is C. Now, the 19th question is who is making use of technology appropriate? So, these are the options, and the answer of our 19th question is F. Now, the 20th question is Rahul's a customer service representative is handling a complaint from a dissatisfied customer, Priya. He wants to resolve the issue effectively and turn Priya's experience around. What is the most critical factor for Rahul to achieve effective communication with Priya? So, these are the options, and the answer of our 20th question is C. Now, the 21st question is Rajesh is giving an important presentation to his colleagues. He decides to wear sunglasses throughout the presentation to look stylish. This creates an unnecessary barriers to effective communication. True or false? So, the answer of our 21st question is true. Now, the 22nd question is Mira is at a restaurant with her family. When the waiter brings the wrong order, she feels irritated but smiles politely and says in a gentle tone, "Excuse me, I think there has been a mix up with our order. Could you please check with the kitchen?" Mira successful manage the psychological barrier in communication. True or false? So the answer of our 22nd question is A. Now the 23rd question is people maintain their appointment and meet deadline according to their perception of time. True or false? So the answer of our 23rd question is A. True. Now the 24th question is Tech solution is experiencing communication problem between department. To address this issue, the CEO decides to reinforce a strict top-down communication structure where all information must flow from senior management down through multiple levels before reaching lower level employees. This approach will help eliminate organizational communication barrier. True or false? So the answer of our 24th question is false. Now the 25th question is according to Fyodor Dostoevsky quote. Much unhappiness has come into the world because of bewilderment and things left unsaid. Keeping important feeling and thought to ourselves rather than expressing them clearly can lead to misunderstanding and unhappiness in our relationship. True or false? So the answer of our 25th question is A, true. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching our video.